This is a really happy day here. We're filming this beautiful 1-bedroom, 1-bath house sold for $68,000. Tomorrow's the closing. So come inside with me and check it out. You won't believe how stunning this house is. So if I close the door, it's really nice and quiet. Man, that kitchen is really drop dead gorgeous. Let's stand back and take a look. Oh, really, what a wonderful house. This just turned out so lovely. We got fabulous LED lighting up in the ceiling. We've got a living room ceiling fan. Fabulous flooring. I love this vinyl throughout. So this is the living room. It's got amazing 2 windows on the end. Here's the kitchen from this side. You've got 4 appliances, microwave, stove oven combination, refrigerator, dishwasher, all these beautiful black appliances. Really, really lovely. It's got that Viking look-alike stovetop from Whirlpool, wonderful microwave, double stainless steel sink, and here you can see the windows in the living room. And there is the kind of dinette area, kitchen window, right? In the years past, we used to put chandeliers there, and now everybody just puts the LED lights. Huge, wide hallway. You've got your hot air furnace and air conditioner working out of that unit. And the flooring continues in here. You've got pantry linen closet, very heavy duty glass door, shower, stall, step-in shower stall. And that's 2 seats. 1-piece unit. Wonderfully, wonderfully made. You've got your sink here. Lots of counter space. Great lighting. And then a cosmetic box over the commode. A lot of space in here. Really pretty. So you've got your back door. And you can get that frosted. And here is space for a stackable washer and dryer, full size, very nice. And then your master bedroom. So you've got LED lighting here. Also, there's 2 pieces in the ceiling. Got a full closet there, the whole length of that wall, and your hot water heater. Wire racking in the closet. Let's take a look at the bedroom window from here. There's both LED lights. The ceiling's very tall. I think it's 8 feet. And great 2-paneled doors. So let's take a look at that living room area now from this angle. Really spacious. Hopefully we'll have a chance to build another 1-bedroom house, and if you're interested, join our mailing list. Email info@dolanhomes.com and you will be posted of the latest news that we have here, the latest things we're building, the latest houses for sale. And I just want to highlight this beautiful countertop. It's a beautiful granite countertop. The little speckles on there are the light, not a stain. Very, very nice. Wow, this turned out to be wonderful, and the guys worked so fast and so hard to get this house ready. So this is Thanksgiving 2018, and our homeowner will be in tomorrow, Tuesday, and Thanksgiving's on Thursday. So wonderful. What a great team effort. Thanks to everyone who helped this house come together and our wonderful new resident.